Well, tell me about the wiper blades, Steve. Tell me about that controversy.
I don't even know if I'm prepared to talk about that. But yeah, it's like a fucking sewer topic that continues to become sewer and sewer. How one of the worst wiper blade companies, Trico, buys one of the best wiper blade companies, Anco, and discontinues their best freaking product. Anco made a wiper blade, all metal frame, you know, which that isn't always the best, but it's strongest. And Trico always made an all plastic frame that was weak and always deteriorated. The sun deteriorated them and it fell apart. And, you know, a couple years in the sun or a year in the sun, 6 months in the sun, they didn't hold up. And the newer blades, they're just a very poor quality, and they're making universal clips that work good for some applications but don't work good for all applications, like anything universal. It's a bad situation when you want to put a quality product on someone's car and you can't find a quality product to put on someone's car. I always had a draw to mechanical things and a draw to cars. And I started out basically working for our family's mechanic, sweeping the floor. And then next thing I know, I'm turning wrenches on cars. The way they're building these cars today is not good. They don't put service and repair into the automobile. They put throwaway into the automobile. There's certain things that are, you know, repairable and replaceable, but for the most part, you know, they're making the car a disposable item. All plastic, no metal. The metal's real thin, weak. So this way, once they get you out of warranty, then, you know, they want it to be expensive to fix and you're not going to fix it. Personal belief.
Right. And what do you think the motivation is for that? Just to sell more cars?
Sell more cars. That's the sad reality of it.
Huh.
Well, I would always say Honda and Toyota were always on the top, but I think they're kind of falling to the same prey as the rest of them. I still think they're probably your top car out there to buy. If you're going to buy a Honda or a Toyota, I think you're still making a better decision buying one of those cars over especially a European car. I mean, they still make a good car, but not what they used to make in the 90s. And actually, when they even came into this country, they were a really good car. At least every day I have defective parts. But I gotta do a job 2 and 3 times for free. Can't pass it along to the customer, and you can't deliver the car with a bad part in the car because they came to you to fix it. You know, can't eat doing a job 2 and 3 times. Just can't do it. Basically, in a nutshell, like, cars used to be repairable and you could get reliable parts and you could fix things. Today, we're more of a replacement society, like everything else, like a refrigerator, like a washer and dryer, like a TV. How about that? You know, there's no more TV repairmen. You know, throw it away. I think the cars go into the throwaway society, even though I don't think it should go to the throwaway society. If they're worried about conserving the environment, then to me, conserving the environment is let's keep that car on the road as long as possible and let's produce parts for that car as long as we possibly can. It makes sense to me to do it that way. Have no debt. Have no debt. You know what I mean? Try to run your business as debt-free as possible, paying no interest payments on anything, and, you know, the least amount of debt, the better off you'll be. The industry's changing so much right now that basically, in a nutshell, I don't even know where to invest any money for my business. I don't know, should I invest in, large diagnostic equipment? Should I invest in service and repair like tires and wheels and stuff like that? Don't know where to put the money because you don't know what part of the industry is going to change because things are changing so fast.